In this video, we're diving into Bootstrap, a CSS framework that makes building beautiful websites way faster. Today, you'll add a new page, use Bootstrap's grid system, create cards with images and text, and also style your layout with custom CSS. So let's get started. The first step is setting up a new page. Start by creating a new file called projects.html. Here, we will paste our hype HTML starter code that we used in our first lesson. Here you can see the WDP starter code. Let's go ahead and copy all of this and paste it into our new projects.html file. After pasting in the starter code, let's go ahead and change the title and the heading. Let's rename it to be My Projects page. Now that we made those changes to the title and the heading, let's go back to our index.html file. Find the navigation bar code, which is highlighted here. Here you can see that we need to link the projects page, just like we did for the About Me page and the Home page. Now we have fully working navigation bars. Go ahead and copy this code and go to your projects.html file. Delete the existing navigation bar code. Replace it with the new code. Do the same in the About Me.html file. Now, in your preview, on each page, you have working navigation bars. Make sure to check all of your links on each page to ensure that they work properly. Let's bring in Bootstrap. Go to getbootstrap.com and you will land on this page. In the search bar, enter Bootstrap CDN. Then you will land here, CDN links. Copy the URL for CSS. Now navigate back to Code Sandbox and go to your projects.html file. We will need to paste that link here. Highlighted is the code that I added. We now have access to Bootstrap's powerful classes. Where it says href equals, I pasted the CSS link that we copied earlier. Now go back to Bootstrap, and in the search bar, type in grids. Here you'll see HTML code for the 3 columns. Copy this code and then paste it in your projects.html file, right below the navigation bar. Now let's go back to Bootstrap again. In the search bar, type in Bootstrap card. Now you will see HTML code for this card. The card includes an image, a title, some text, and a button. Go ahead and copy this code back to your projects.html file, and where it says column, paste the code that you copied earlier. Save your changes, and in your preview, you should see that a card has been added. Now, let's add that same card code to the second and third columns. After saving your changes, you should see 3 cards. Now let's go ahead and update the content in them. Now, for each card, you should see an H5 tag, a P tag, and an A tag. Let's go ahead and update what's inside these tags. I changed the card title, the text, and I also added a link. Now your challenge is to do the same for the other cards. Now let's add images to our cards. Find the image tag in each card. You can see that it's highlighted here. Replace the source equals with a link to an image or a local file path. Now that I've added an image to the first card, do the same for the others. Once you're done, you will see that your cards are visually complete. Do you feel like your cards are too close to the navigation bar? Let's fix that with margin. Find out what class wraps around your card. It's likely something like a container. Go to your styles.css and add this code. Highlighted is the code that I added. If you go to your projects page, you will now see that there is a space between the navigation bar and the cards. If you're not sure what margin top does, search CSS box model and check out a visual. Margin is the outermost spacing, followed by border, padding, and then content. Alright, here's some final review. Today you just built a new project page, a responsive 3-column layout, cards for each project, images, text, and links inside of each card, along with custom spacing using the box model. Now it's your turn. You can try out different card styles, add more columns or sections, customize colors, fonts, and spacing, and explore more Bootstrap components like buttons, badges, and modals. Great job today! You just built a brand new section of your site using real front-end tools. Keep customizing and refining, and get ready to showcase your skills. As a reminder, if you click on this icon, open in a new tab, you can see your website in a new window. See you in the next video and keep coding with confidence.